Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. In this video, we're exploring the online presence of Bolden, a company specializing in mention their area of expertise, gathered from the website. Their website, located at https://www.bolden.com, serves as the central hub for information about their products and services. Navigating to this URL provides access to a wealth of resources, allowing potential customers to delve deeper into the specifics of Bolden's offerings. A closer look at the website reveals a structured layout designed to facilitate easy exploration. Users can anticipate finding detailed descriptions of the company's key areas of focus, often accompanied by visual aids like images or videos to further enhance understanding. Bolden's online platform likely showcases its expertise and highlights the benefits customers can expect when choosing their services. This includes information about the company's background, mission, and values, providing a comprehensive overview of their identity and commitment to quality. Furthermore, the website will probably include contact information, making it straightforward for interested parties to connect with Bolden's representatives for inquiries or further discussion. This likely encompasses email addresses, phone numbers, and potentially even a contact form for streamlined communication. It's also worth noting that modern business websites often integrate social media links, and Bolden's is likely no exception. These connections allow visitors to extend their engagement with the company beyond the website itself and explore additional content or updates. In conclusion, the Bolden website at https://www.bolden.com acts as a digital storefront, offering visitors a detailed introduction to the company and its services. It provides an essential platform for engaging with potential clients and establishing a strong online presence in today's competitive market. By providing clear and comprehensive information, Bolden aims to empower customers with the knowledge they need to make informed decisions. This is likely further reinforced by testimonials or case studies, showcasing the positive impact of Bolden's work. The website serves as a vital tool for connecting with their target audience and ultimately driving business growth. Don't forget to check out their website, and as always, thanks for watching.